Hey there, this is how to download an image from canva.com. So first thing, just head over to Canva and then go to the project in which the image is. So I'll just go to this project where I have a Christmas party postcard. So I'll just click no thanks. I just want to stay on the web browser. And then once I'm in the project, all I need to do is just click on the share button at the top right corner and then click on download at the very bottom. Then once you're inside the downloads, you can just click on download and it will start downloading right away. A little bonus, if you want to control the quality of the download, you can just change the file type to JPG, and then you can drag this this cursor right here and you can control the quality through this. However, you do need a pro account for this. So if you want to subscribe to a pro account, you can just click on this icon right here and it will guide you to the pro plan. So once you made the payment, you can just go back to your project and control the quality of the image. And once you do that, just click on download and it will start downloading right away. Now downloaded, so I'll just open it up. And I have my image on my computer. And this is how easy it is to download an image from Canva. Hope that video is helpful.